Has an app on your phone ever frozen, crashed, or just will not close? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest and the quickest way to close out iPhone apps and Android applications that you probably have running in the background and forgot about. And if your phone is still slow, I'm going to show you a few tips at the end to help speed it back up. Now, if you have a newer iPhone like I do, all you have to do is simply swipe up from the bottom, just like I did there. I took my finger and I swiped right up, straight up, and all of the apps come up. This is called the app switcher. This is going to be showing me recently used or still open apps that are open in the background. Now, just swipe straight up, right? First, I'm going to find the app I want by swiping left or right. So let's say Duolingo. I was having an issue with Duolingo. I grab it with my finger and swipe it straight up. This closes the application out, and now when I go reopen Duolingo, it's as if I don't have it open, so it's a fresh start. This fixes a lot of the issues that applications may run into when you're using them. Again, if they crash, they freeze, or they have other issues, come and close them so they're not open, which, just clicking out to here to the home screen, that doesn't close them. That's where a lot of people get confused. You have to come into the app switcher, grab it, and swipe it straight up. So let's say Kindle. I was having an issue with Kindle, same thing, straight up, and it closes it out. Now, if you have an older iPhone with the home button, the circle, you just have to double click the home button. It opens the app switcher, and you do the same thing. Swipe left to right to find the app you want to close, and then swipe it straight up to close it. Now, one thing that catches a lot of people off guard is there is not a close all apps button on the iPhone. Apple has never added one, so if you want to close multiple apps, you simply swipe each one away individually. Now, let's move over to Android. Open the recent apps screen. To do this on most Android phones, you'll either swipe up from the bottom, like we did on the iPhone, and you'll hold for a few seconds. If you're using the navigation buttons, you'll tap the recent apps button at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll see all of your open applications. If one app is frozen or acting up, simply swipe it away to close it. Now, unlike the iPhone, most Android phones also have a clear all or close all button that lets you close everything with a single tap. Nice job on that one, Android. You definitely are ahead of the curve when it comes to the clear all or close all button. If an app continues freezing, keeps draining your battery, or just refuses to cooperate, you can also force stop it. Simply open Settings, tap Apps, select the app that's causing the problem, then tap on Force Stop. This completely shuts the app down, including anything it still may be doing in the background. Now, if closing the application did not fix your issue, there's probably something else going on and a few things we can try. The first thing would be to restart the phone. Next, make sure your phone and your apps are fully up to date. If you have an Android, go to Google Play, check for app updates. If you have an iPhone, go to the App Store and do the same. Finally, check your available storage. If your phone is nearly full, it can start slowing down and cause apps to behave unpredictably. Those 3 simple steps solve a surprising number of phone problems. Now, before you go, here's one final quick tip that might surprise you. You don't need to actually close every app every time you're done using your phone. Modern iPhones and Android phones, they do a really good job managing background apps on their own. Instead, close apps when there's a reason to. Maybe the app froze, it's showing an error, it's draining your battery, keeps using your location, or audio is still playing after you're finished with it. Otherwise, your phone is usually doing exactly what it was designed to do, and it can manage those being open in the background. If you enjoyed today's video and you'd like to learn a little bit more about this subject, jump over to our blog and check out the article covering everything we talked about today, along with a few additional tips. You can find that on the mycomputerworks.com website, which is in the description below, but I'll also leave a link directly to the blog in the description as well. And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe before you go. If you're still having trouble with your iPhone or Android device, give us a call here at My Computer Works for fast, friendly IT support. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next one.